Hello viewer. In this video we will see some practical exercises on variables in Python. In the subsequent videos I will keep on adding more on Python programming. Would request you to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and embark on a journey of continuous learning. So, let's start. As explained in my previous video that in Python, variables are used to store and manage data. They act as containers that hold values, and these values can be of various types, such as integers, floats, strings, etc. You can refer my playlist or hit the I button at top right corner to see the previous video on Python variables. Referring my previous video, please open Pycharm code editor and practice along with me. Exercise 1. Simple variable assignment. Assign the value 5 to a variable called x and print its value as shown in the Pycharm code editor. Exercise 2. Arithmetic operations. Create two variables, a and b, and assign them values 10 and 3, respectively. Perform the following arithmetic operations and print the results: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Exercise 3. String manipulation. Create a variable name and assign it your name as a string. Create another variable age and assign it your age as an integer. Print a message using these variables like my name is your name and I am 25 years old. Exercise 4. Updating variables. Create a variable counter and set its initial value to 0. Update the counter variable by adding 1 to it 5 times using a loop. Print the final value of the counter. Exercise 5. Concatenation. Create two variables, first underscore name and last underscore name, and assign them your first and last name. Concatenate them and print the result. Exercise 6. Type conversion. Create a variable num_str and assign it the string 123. Convert num_str to an integer and assign it to a new variable num_int. Print the type of num_int. Exercise 7. Multiple assignments. Create three variables var1, var2, and var3 and assign them values 5, 7.2, and hello, respectively. Swap the values of var1 and var2 without using a temporary variable. Print the values of var1 and var2. Thanks for watching. Would request you to hit the subscribe button to motivate us for more contents on Python.